Well, hello, Facebook. We're getting to our destination. We just gotta climb 5 floors, and we can show you. We can show you what we're doing. We're being rock stars today. They told us. They added some headboards. They added headboards. Apparently. Oh, sorry. Apparently, nobody wanted to install the headboards. And they were probably really thought about it, and they said, I don't want these. I don't want to have to pay these guys to do the headboards too. But their work is so great. Let's get them to do the headboards. So that's what we did. Oh yeah. Let's go take a look. It's an 88 room. Look at that. Divider, headboard. It's nice. And that's what we do at Aaron Michael Services. Holy shit. Shoot. Got a long way to walk. You gonna eat your banana? Another headboard. Queen size headboard. And divider. Nice. Okay. We shall continue on. We shall continue. Next one. Next joint. Okay. One of these is us. And here we are, putting the headboard up right now. And that's how it goes up. So you can call me today at 716-533-7108, because we got you covered. Whatever it is, whatever you need. Aaron Michael Services has got you covered, guys. Give me a call.